Most people ignore driveway cracks for way too long because they think it's just cosmetic. Then winter hits. Water freezes inside the concrete, and suddenly that tiny crack turns into a broken edge big enough to trip over. And here's the crazy part. Concrete repair experts say a huge percentage of residential concrete damage starts from small cracks that were sealed the wrong way, or never sealed at all. So before you waste money grabbing the first repair tube at the hardware store, here's what actually matters. Different crack fillers are built for completely different jobs. Some flex during brutal winters, some dry insanely fast. Some are designed to disappear visually on decorative patios. And one of them is honestly strong enough to outlast the concrete itself. I went through contractor recommendations, recent product data, homeowner reviews, and updated repair standards to break down the 7 concrete crack fillers actually worth your attention in 2026. And trust me, one of these is probably perfect for your exact situation. First up, liquid rubber sealers. And these things got ridiculously popular recently because they're basically foolproof. No mixing, no caulk gun wrestling match. Just open the container and apply it directly over the crack. What makes liquid rubber different is flexibility. Instead of curing rock hard, it forms a waterproof rubberized membrane that moves with the surface. That's huge for patios, decorative concrete, tile borders, and areas that expand during hot summers. The clear drawing versions are honestly the best part. If you've got decorative stone or painted concrete, you don't want dark repair lines cutting across the surface like a scar. Clear rubber sealers keep everything subtle while stopping moisture from sneaking underneath. But here's the catch. These are preventative repairs, not structural fixes. Think hairline cracks, tiny surface separation, and early damage before it gets ugly. Now, if you live somewhere with real winters, completely different story. I'm talking Minnesota, Michigan, Colorado, upstate New York. Freeze-thaw damage destroys concrete every single year, and that's where polyurethane self-leveling sealants absolutely dominate. There's a reason contractors love this category. Good polyurethane sealants stretch like crazy without cracking apart. So when your driveway shrinks overnight during freezing temperatures, the sealant stretches with it instead of splitting open. And once water gets into an unsealed crack during winter, it's game over. Water freezes, expands, and forces the crack wider every season. That's literally one of the biggest causes of driveway deterioration across northern states. The self-leveling formulas are also super satisfying to use. You pour them in and they smooth themselves out automatically. No tooling, no perfect technique needed. Just don't rush the cure time. Most need several days before you can drive on them. Quick tip most people skip. If the crack is deep, use a foam backer rod first. It improves flexibility, saves material, and helps the sealant last way longer. Now let's flip to the opposite extreme. Sometimes you don't need industrial durability. You just need the crack gone before guests show up in 3 hours. That's where acrylic latex fillers come in. These are the speed demons of concrete repair. Shake the bottle, pour it in, smooth it out, done. Some formulas can handle foot traffic in under 30 minutes depending on weather. And honestly, this category exists because curb appeal matters, especially now. People notice cracked walkways immediately. Whether you're hosting family, selling your house, or just tired of staring at ugly spider cracks near the front door, fast-dry acrylic fillers are ridiculously convenient. Now, are they permanent? Not really, but for tiny surface cracks and cosmetic touch-ups, they absolutely do the job. Here's a trick though. Don't overfill deep cracks in one shot. 2 thin layers almost always look cleaner than 1 thick application that sinks later. Alright, this next category is seriously underrated, especially for decorative concrete. Granular polymer crack fillers use a completely different system than liquid products. Instead of squeezing filler into the crack, you pour dry granules directly into it and lightly mist it with water. Sounds weird, works insanely well. The reason homeowners love this stuff is the invisible finish. Liquid fillers usually leave some visible line behind. Maybe it's glossy, maybe it's darker, maybe sunlight reflects off it differently. Granular fillers blend into the surrounding texture way better because the finish stays natural and sandy. That matters a lot now because outdoor living spaces are huge in the US right now. Stamped patios, textured pool decks, decorative walkways. People spend serious money on these surfaces. The last thing anybody wants is a shiny repair stripe cutting through the middle of the pattern. And since the product store's dry, leftover material can sit in your garage for years without hardening into a useless brick. Now let's talk about repairs most DIY products completely fail at. Vertical damage, because gravity changes everything. A self-leveling crack filler works great on a driveway. Put that same stuff on a wall or stair edge and it slides straight down the surface. That's why thick premixed concrete patches exist. These products have the consistency of peanut butter. You apply them with a putty knife and literally sculpt the repair into shape. This is what you use for chipped stairs, broken corners, foundation cracks, surface spalling, and missing chunks of concrete. And honestly, damaged steps are more than just ugly. Trip hazards can become a serious liability issue fast. A good patch compound lets you rebuild those damaged areas without replacing the entire section. Once cured, most can be sanded, painted, or textured to match nearby concrete surprisingly well. Now for the heavy-duty category: garage floors, deep holes, structural damage. This is where two-part epoxy systems completely separate themselves from everything else. These things are insanely strong. Once you mix the resin and hardener together, the chemical reaction creates a repair material tougher than standard concrete in many situations. That's why epoxy systems are used in warehouses, industrial floors, and high-traffic commercial spaces. The huge advantage is zero shrinkage. Cement products shrink slightly while curing. Epoxy doesn't. What you pour is what stays. That makes a massive difference for garage floors, where heavy weight constantly stresses the repair. But here's the part people mess up. Once epoxy is mixed, the clock starts ticking immediately. So prep everything first. Clean the crack. Have your tools ready, because once it starts curing, there's no pause button. And finally, if your driveway looks like a roadmap with cracks everywhere, bulk rubberized sealants are probably the smartest value move. Instead of buying tiny repair tubes one at a time, larger self-leveling rubberized systems let you cover long cracks fast while keeping flexibility and waterproofing consistent across the entire surface. They're especially popular for older driveways because honestly, a lot of American homes now have aging concrete surfaces that need constant maintenance. So here's the bottom line. Hairline decorative cracks, liquid rubber, brutal winters, polyurethane. Need a fast cosmetic fix? Acrylic latex. Want invisible repairs on stamped concrete? Granular fillers. Vertical repairs? Thick patch compounds. Structural damage? Two-part epoxy. Huge driveway project. Bulk rubberized sealant. That's the secret nobody tells homeowners. The best concrete crack filler isn't about hype or branding. It's about matching the chemistry to the exact problem. Do that right, and you're not just hiding cracks. You're stopping expensive damage before it starts.